Going to be breaking down gold for you guys. I'm going to be explaining to you guys what the market is doing, where the market is going, and what we can expect to see next, right? So I'm going to start from here and then I'm going to explain all the way down, right? So guys, first of all, I want you guys to see I want you guys to see gold as I want you guys to see trading as a fight. Just imagine that team A and team B is fighting, right? Team A and team B is fighting. This is team A and this is team B. This is team A, and under here is team B. Under here is team B, right? So I want you guys to be trading as team A and team B fighting, because that is what it basically is. Buyers and sellers are always fighting for who is going to gain control of the market, right? So I want you guys to see price as team A and team B fighting. So now, if you are to come to a fight where you see team A and team B are fighting, and then you see that team A has they have fit men that are strong, they look fit, they look healthy, and they look huge. And then you see team B. Team B has people that are slim, not so healthy, looking weak, and they are tired. If you are going to join that fight, who do you think you're going to join? You're going to join team A because they look stronger. They look stronger. They look like they're going to win the fight. That is what trading is all about. You're trying to join the winning team. You're trying to join the team that you think is going to win, right? So, when you come to the market to trade, all you are looking for is which team is looking like they are strongest, which team is looking like they're going to win this fight, and so that I can join the winning team, because you don't want to join the losing team, right? I want you guys to see trade national as team A and team B. So from this is a zone, right? And what this zone explains to us is that above here, buyers are in control, right? Above above this resistance, buyers are in control, right? Above here, buyers are in control, right? And above here, buyers are in control. Like above this resistance here, buyers are in control. And what this that happened here showed us is that below here, sellers are in control, right? Below here, sellers are in control. That is basically what this just showed to us. Okay, sorry. Okay, below here, sellers are in control, right? So now I'm explaining from here. I'm explaining from here, then I'm going to come down all the way to here, so you guys get the whole picture. So like I said, above here, buyers are in control, above here, buyers are in control, and above here, buyers are in control. So above here, the buyers are winning the fight. Above here, the buyers are winning the fight. Team B is winning the fight above here, like a drag race where they're dragging an object. So above here, buyers are in control, but below here, sellers are in control, because here price came, buyers pushed price up, came here, broke down, and sellers pushed price down, came back up, buyers pushed price up, came here again, buyers pushed price up, right? So now all you know is that automatically what you know from there is that below this area, sellers are in control. And when sellers are in control, you can expect them to try to push price all the way down to this zone, right? Because that's what it's all about. Trying to win the fight, trying to get push price to the next zone, trying to push price to the next zone. Buyers try to win and push price to the next zone. Sellers try to win and push price to the next zone. So it's all about the next zone actually. So below here, so when price came and started pushing down, started breaking these lows, automatically you know that okay, now that we are below these levels, sellers are in control. And then that's where I knew that you can expect price to come to hit this next level, right? So price hits this next level. What something else you know about this next level is that in this next level, above here, buyers are in control again, right? Above here, buyers are in control again, and below this zone, sellers are back in control, right? And below this zone, sellers are back in control, because it's like I told you guys, it's all about trying to win the fight and push it to the next zone, trying to win the fight and push it to the next zone. So below here, sellers are in control, and now that price came and took out these lows, you know sellers are in control, and your question is going to be, where is it going to push this price next? Where is the next zone? And if you zoom out, you're going to find out that the next zone is right here, right? So all this time it was targeting these lows, right? So price came, took out here, sellers are still in control, tried to retest, and then kept dropping because sellers are in control, like I told you guys. And then here, what's the other thing we know again about this place? We know that here, above this zone, buyers are in control, right? Above this zone, buyers are in control, but below this zone, sellers are in control, right? But below this zone, sellers are in control. It's all about the fights. Who's going to win? Who's going to be in control? And you want to join the winning team, right? So below this zone, sellers are in control. So now, price push down here. Well, if you want to like get into a sell in this trading condition, how are you going to do it? Well, how I'm going to do this is that, first of all, I want to explain to you guys about something they call trading in session. This is why trading in session is very important. Gold is a New York, is gold XAUUSD is a New York session trading. That is when the market moves the most, during New York session, and you should be trading gold during New York session because it's a US pair, right? It's not like it's a US pair, but like it's affected a lot by by news in the USA, right? So you should be looking to trade gold during the New York session, right? Because that is where there's going to be a lot of volume in the market. That's why people trade during session, because there's going to be a lot of volume in the market, and you want to be the one that is trading when there's volume in the market. Because what volume does for you is that, not like volume changes the direction of the market. No, volume just push prices where it's supposed to go a lot faster. Get what I mean? So that is what trading session does for you. Helps you push price to where it's supposed to go a lot faster, because there's volume in the market, money is being moved in the market, there's so many people involved in the market, so there's volume, right? So now the price is below here, like I already told you guys, below here, sellers are in control, right? Below this zone, sellers are in control. And let's say you come here and you know that we are in a downtrend, obviously, so you're not looking for buys because we're in a downtrend and you want to get into this trade. How do you do it? What you will simply do is that you're going to wait for price to come back up here. You're going to wait for price to come back up here, right? Come back up here, or whatever it does. You're just going to sit down your hands and just wait for price to do whatever it wants to do. Come back up here, whatever. Then, when new session comes, when NY session comes, when session trading starts as an NY session comes, and they know that there's volume in the market, if you see price above here, then you know that yes, above the zone, buyers are in control. But because we're in a downtrend, you're looking for sells, not buys. You get what I mean? Because overall, the sellers are winning, so you're looking for sales, not buys. So what I will do is that I will just simply wait for price to come back here, and then when session comes, all I'm waiting for in session is to see price come back below this level where I know sellers are in control. And when price comes back below this level where I know sellers are in control, it's all about the question. Sellers are in control. Now that they're in control, where are they going to be looking to push price to the next zone? And where is the next zone? The next zone is here. So I'll simply be in a sell, trying to push price back down to this area, which is the next zone, right? So that's basically what I'm going to be doing about gold, because right now sellers are in control of gold, and you don't want to be the one that is joining the losing team. You want to join the winning team. That's what trading is all about. Trading is all about you coming to the market, trying to find the team that's winning the fight, and you're trying to join the winning team. You don't want to come to a fight where you see people that are strong, healthy, look huge, against people that are looking weak, looking tired, and then you go and join people that are looking tired because you want to be a hero, you want to be the one that saved the day. Most times you end up getting screwed, right? So trading is all about just trying to join the winning team, trying to find the winning team that's winning the fight, so you can join them and win the fight with them. That is what trading is all about. No, it's not about trying to be a hero. So, and that is why price below this level, it doesn't matter your strategy. It doesn't matter if you trade SMC, ICT, retail, or industrial, whatever. It doesn't matter what you trade. Below this zone, sellers are in control. And if you are looking for a buy below this zone, your chances of losing that trade is higher. Not because my strategy works better than yours, no, but simply because below this zone, sellers are in control. They are winning their battle below this zone. So you shouldn't be looking for buys, because not because it can't work out, but because your chances of winning the fight is a lot lower. Get what I mean? So below this zone, you're looking for sales, right? Below this zone, you're looking for sales. And when price comes back down here, you know, okay, buyers can be in control. They can push price back up. But if you are to break back below this zone again, then I'm looking for sales again, because I know that below this area, sellers are in control. But above here, buyers are in control. Get what I mean? So that's just what trading is all about. It's all about guessing what is the bigger picture. Who is in control in general? Who is winning the battle? Obviously, sellers are winning the battle. They won it here, and kept dropping price. So they are the ones in control overall. So come to the market. The reason why you didn't take a buy here is because you know sellers are in control overall. Buyers might be in control here for a little bit, but sellers are in control overall. So you're not looking for buys, you're looking for sells. And that's why when price came here, you didn't buy, because you wanted to see buyers gain more control before you take a buy. But they didn't, because obviously sellers is stronger than buyers at the moment. Team A is stronger than Team B at the moment. So you're just waiting to join the winning team. And that's what trading is all about. It's all about joining the winning team. So when you come to the market, you trying to find a setup is simply you trying to find the team that is winning the battle. As I say, if you come to the market and you come and you want to see the team that is winning the battle, because it's just like a boxing match. You come to the match, you see the two opponents fighting, and you think that Mayweather is going to win this YouTuber that is just entered boxing recently. So you go up and you place a bet that Mayweather will win. That is basically what trading is all. You come to the market, you see the two opponents, buyers and sellers, and you look out for who's strongest to win. If you don't see anybody that is strongest to win, exit the market. Don't trade for the day. But if you see someone that is stronger, that looks like he's gonna win the fight, buyers or sellers, then you wanna join them. And it's all about looking for who is in control, who is in control of the market, where is buyers in control, where is sellers in control, where is the market at, where is the volume at. That's why you trade during the session, because you want to trade with the volume. You want to be trading with the volume. When the volume is there, it's going to work out for you. Get what I mean? When the volume is there, it's going to push price for you, because you have the volume. You're not just trading like your own. You're trading with the volume. You get what I mean? So that is what trading is all about. It's all about looking for the team that is winning the battle. Who is winning the battle? Who is in control? And when you find who is in control and where they are in control, That is where you want to get in. You want to get in where they are in control. It's not about your strategy. You should first of all try to realize where are buyers in control and where are sellers in control. If you find where buyers are in control, then you can start looking to try to implement your strategy where buyers are in control. And where sellers are in control, then you can start looking to implement your strategy where sellers are in control. That is basically what it all is. It doesn't matter the way you trade. Whatever way you trade, if you do not try to establish where buyers and sellers are in control and you go and take a trade, you go and take a buy where sellers are in control, your chances of losing the trade is high. Your strategy doesn't matter. The chances of losing the trade automatically becomes high. Enjoy.